Good morning and welcome. We are so pleased that you could join us today. Today we're focusing on two products that have played integral roles in people's everyday lives, Apple Watch and iPad. Now let's turn our attention to iPad. Today, we're updating the rest of our full-size iPad lineup, starting with our most popular iPad.
Because it delivers a beautiful 10.2-inch Retina display with support for Apple Pencil and the full-size Smart Keyboard, all in a thin, light, and affordable design. The new iPad 8th generation. It's more capable than ever, and it starts with the A12 Bionic. This chip is a powerhouse. It features a powerful CPU and super fast GPU. Compared to the already fast chip in last year's iPad, it has a 40% faster CPU and delivers a massive 2x jump in graphics. This extra performance is great for everything from working with high-resolution content to immersive gaming experiences. And compared to the competition over the last year, it's not even close. This new iPad with the A12 Bionic is up to 2x faster than the top-selling Windows laptop. It's up to 3x faster than the top-selling Android tablet, and it's up to a whopping 6x faster than the top-selling Chromebook. iPad leaves the competition in the dust. And all that power is delivered in a thin and light design that's super portable with great cameras and all-day battery life, like allowing you to instantly transform the color of your photos, or even analyze your tennis game and provide real-time stats like ball speed and body positioning. Altogether, the A12 Bionic takes performance to the next level and makes iPad more powerful than ever. With its 10.2-inch Retina display, huge performance boost from the A12 Bionic, keyboard and pencil support, great cameras, and so much more. And it starts at just $329. And it's just $299 for our education customers.
And today, we are thrilled to introduce an all-new, completely redesigned iPad Air. And here it is. This is the new iPad Air.
The all-new thin and light enclosure and narrow border design features a beautiful all-screen display. Each element of iPad Air is meticulously crafted, from the precisely machined top button to the sculpted detail around the camera. And the new iPad Air design comes in 5 gorgeous colors, including a new rose gold, green, and sky blue finish. Our customers are going to love these colors. And this new design features a stunning liquid Retina display. In the same footprint as the previous Air, the new iPad Air features a larger 10.9-inch liquid Retina display with a resolution of 2360 by 1640. That's over 3.8 million pixels for extra crisp text and photos. And it has advanced display technologies like full lamination, wide color, true tone, and an anti-reflective coating that combined deliver an amazing visual experience and integrated it right into the top button. This provides convenient and secure authentication while allowing the display to extend on all sides. This is the smallest authentication sensor we have ever designed, and it delivers the same performance, ease of use, and security you know and trust from Touch ID. The technology under the button is really amazing. It uses a sapphire crystal lens and next-generation custom sensor that more efficiently captures the details of a fingerprint.
Our latest A-series processor, A14 Bionic. For A14's powerful new 6-core design, this results in an enormous 40% increase in CPU performance compared to the previous iPad Air.
USB-C increases data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. That's a 10-fold jump in performance over the previous Air. It provides a fast connection to a host of external devices. The new Air also includes great cameras front and back. The front 7-megapixel FaceTime HD camera supports Smart HDR, improved 1080p video capture, and better low-light performance for really high-quality video calls. And on the back is the same 12-megapixel camera used in the iPad Pro, with focus pixels and a larger aperture to capture incredibly sharp photos and stunning 4K video, enhanced with improved video stabilization. The new Air also works with our amazing accessories, including Apple Pencil, which attaches magnetically to the side for pairing, charging, and storage, and the beautiful Magic Keyboard with floating design and built-in trackpad.
Everyone take care, stay safe, and have a great day.